Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning in, and straight to my LinkedIn profile we are. And as always, if we aren't yet connected on LinkedIn, by all means, send me a connection request. And if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel as well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tick the little bell icon as well. Now, you may have started to notice this speaker icon appearing on people's LinkedIn profile. Now, LinkedIn released it only a few weeks ago, and it's located right next to your name on your LinkedIn profile. And it's a name pronunciation feature. The idea is you can record a short 10-second audio clip, which gives you the opportunity to correctly pronounce your name. So when then people click on the speaker icon, they get to hear that recording. Now, for a lot of people, their name is maybe not the easiest to pronounce, and that's where this speaker will come into play. You'll be able to correctly explain and teach people how to correctly pronounce your name. But equally, you might be looking at viewing other people's profile, and you will be able to click on the speaker to hear how they correctly pronounce their name as well. So it works both ways. Now, I've already recorded and uploaded a 10-second audio clip, so let's click play and hear what it has to say. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thank you for viewing my profile, and hopefully you're having a fantastic day. So let's have a look at a few other LinkedIn profiles and get to hear their name pronounced correctly as well. So Safit's part of my LinkedIn network. She's a first level connection from Canada. Let's hear what she has to say.
Hey there, it's Safit here. Come join my Step into the Spotlight group on LinkedIn, www.spotlightgroup.biz. See you there.
I love what she had to say. Short, sharp, straight to the point, and a correct pronunciation of her name. Let's see if we can find one more. Darren's also part of my LinkedIn network. Darren's a first level connection and he's based out of Melbourne. Let's hear the correct pronunciation on his name.
Hi, I'm Darren Krakowiak. The W is pronounced as a V. I'm the founder of CRE Success, a coaching, consulting and mentoring firm, and the host of CRE Success, the podcast.
And I loved what Darren had to say then, Darren Krakowiak, and we all got to hear the correct pronunciation of his name as well. Now, how do we actually go in and edit and record it and upload? So you can't actually do that via the desktop version, so you can only do it via mobile or your tablet. So I'm going to take you to my iPad, and that way I'm going to show everyone how to edit, record, and upload the LinkedIn voice pronunciation feature. So iPad version we are on now, and as you can see next to my name I have deleted the voice recording because I want to add a new one. So just here up near the gold LinkedIn icon, I'm going to tap on the pencil feature, which will take me into the behind the scenes editing of my profile details, and I'm going to click add name pronunciation, which brings up the blue record button down the bottom. So when I press hold and record, it will then allow me to start recording my name pronunciation. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for viewing my profile, and hopefully you're having a fantastic day. And it's as simple as that. So I then get the opportunity to either retake, meaning do it again, or apply. So let's click apply. Let's click save. Refreshed the page. Back to my LinkedIn profile via the iPad. Let's click the speaker icon and hear the new recording. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for viewing my profile, and hopefully you're having a fantastic day. So that's how simple and easy it is to record and upload your name pronunciation feature. As I said at the start, you can only do this via your mobile phone, and I'm doing this one on my iPad. But playback, we can actually hear the voice recording on any of our devices. So we could hear the recording via desktop, mobile, or iPad. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. And I've opened your eyes to the amazing world of LinkedIn a little bit more with the name pronunciation feature. As I said at the start, let's connect on LinkedIn. Let's open up the lines of communication. Send me a connection request and let's see where that takes both of us. Equally, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tick the little bell icon as well. If you have found your way to this video on my Facebook page, I would love you to like my Facebook page as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in another one of my videos.